at the Hampton Inn at Broadway at the Beach in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to show you a room tour and everything this hotel has to offer. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. And a big shout out to our subscribers. We appreciate every single one of you. We are staying in an executive king suite, so we'll give you a full room tour. I do want to make one comment. There is no safe in the room, so that's a good thing to know if you're coming to visit. We were pretty surprised by that. Otherwise, we'll give you the full room tour and show you what it has to offer. We will begin the room tour with the little kitchenette. It's actually a pretty good size, but strangely, it's right as you walk in the door. I'm used to restrooms being right as you walk in the door, not the kitchen, but it's fine. And it's a good size. Like I said, you've got a microwave. You have a rather large refrigerator. Very good size. It's got a tiny little freezer. Got a sink or wet bar area. Got your coffee maker, so if you like your K-cup type coffee, they've got that, and ice bucket. And under here you've just got storage and more storage. And then come up here, you've got a closet. Got an ironing board. There's something to put your luggage on. Pretty good sized closet. And then you've also got this full-length mirror. It's a really big full-length mirror, and I will say it's extremely hot today, and the AC is working great, which is right here on the wall. It is nice and cool in here. It feels fantastic. So you've got this large sectional, and they've got a nice little TV tray for you, and I like this little chase lounge action they've got on this end. I will say this room is rather dark, so as you can see, the windows are both open. I've got every light on, and it's fairly dark in here. I will say that. But you know, you're mostly sleeping in your hotel room, so that's fine, and it's a generous size. Right here, we've got I guess it's a multi-purpose table. It looks like it's set up somewhat like a desk with a desk chair, but it's right in front of the TV, which is slightly strange placement in my opinion. But I do like the size of this table, and we could eat here. I mean, that part's definitely nice. I would say the awkward part is you've got the couch here, and you've got the TV over here. And yes, I know we can swivel the TV, but it's still a little odd. It's a good sized TV, and you do have some nice chargers right here. Both a USB charger as well as standard US outlets. And then here's the king size bed. Very nice bed, nice end tables on each side. And again, a ton of chargers. You've got USB on the lamp as well as two standard outlets in addition to the normal outlets down here. You've also got this alarm clock that has additional charging stations, so really great for charging, which is important when you're traveling because you've usually got all kinds of things you need to charge. Phones, cameras, everything. Same over here, you've got two USB ports and standard plugs, and there's the phone and another light. Now we have the parking lot view. The other view would be towards Broadway at the Beach. So right behind me is Broadway at the Beach. Literally, this Hampton Inn is in Broadway at the Beach, and we've got a parking lot view. And yes, if you're wondering, the parking lot views are cheaper. Now from the bed area into the bathroom, and this fan is really loud. Hello, you can see me in the mirror. And so I'm going to back out here, but the fan's pretty loud if I go inside, but I'll show you what it looks like. It's a single sink, not a double, and standard toilet. And then you've got cubbies for towels, and also you've got a shower. Pull this back. So it's just a standard shower and tub. It does have a tub if you have little ones. Also, they do provide you with some toiletry items. You've got soaps, and it looks like shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, as well as makeup remover. So that's nice that you get a few little toiletries. Also in the bathroom there is a hair dryer. That's a common question we get, and they do have one. It's right under the sink. They also have some extra features that are pretty neat, like right beside both nightstands. They have this little extra table that pulls out, so if you have extra stuff that won't fit on the nightstand, you got some extra room. And then they also have some extra storage on both sides under the TV on the side. They have the storage with these pull-out drawers basically, which is really neat. They actually pull out. Also in the hotel they have one of the elevators that's glass and you face out towards Broadway at the beach, which is pretty cool. They do have some treats for sale in the lobby. So if you do get hungry for a snack, they have quite a few things, some drinks, some other snacks. And here's a little sampling of the pricing. You can freeze frame to look at the prices. They do have a hot breakfast available, including a waffle station. I'll take you around and give you a tour of all of it. We've got some coffee over here with creamer and sugars. They have this beautiful, beautiful aquarium right here in the lobby area. Got oatmeal and toppings for the oatmeal. Fresh fruit. Toaster. Got some yogurts. Got sausage and potatoes. That looks good. They've got French toast and scrambled eggs. And here is a juice machine. Oh, it looks like French toast sticks. That looks good. They also have some grab-and-go muffins and breads. Over on this wall, they have waffle batter and make your own waffles. They also have a seating area with this beautiful view of Broadway at the beach, and I'll show you another view of that from downstairs. Also, they do have ample seating throughout the lobby area. And then this is the check-in desk right over here. Also, they do have a fitness room, but right now they only allow one person in there at a time, and there's already people in there. So I can't go inside, but you get a pretty good idea. It's a decent little fitness center. Also, they have a lovely hot tub and an indoor pool, and I'm fogging up a little bit, but I can't help it. It is super steamy in here. They also have this lovely outdoor pool. It's definitely a very good size. And then that's Broadway straight ahead. We'll show you a better view of that. And then right here from the pool, you're literally steps to Broadway at the beach. I mean, you're actually in Broadway at the beach. And there's a little walking path right here that takes you to Broadway. And as you may know, they did some demolition, I think it was in 2019, and they still haven't rebuilt. There's plans to put a new place called the Hideout over there, so this will be constructed eventually. So right now, you would, if you had a room on this side, you would be able to see that, but you also see this lovely lake. You've got Margaritaville right here, with the lighthouse and the aquarium. So this is a nice view, and at night there are fireworks here sometimes during the summer season. And also you can see the Ferris wheel and the rides at night. One of the nicest perks, the biggest perks of staying at the Hampton Inn at Broadway at the beach is of course access to Broadway at the beach. So I'm looking back at the Hampton Inn from here, and right behind me is everything that Broadway at the beach has to offer. I'll link to one of our Broadway at the beach tours below. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.